He loves to play in that thing. Loves it. There he goes again. Bless you, Marvin. He's a pretty big Royal Gramma. I can't believe he can actually turn around in that thing. But he likes me to look at him and notice him, and then he darts out. So I got this on Amazon. It's, if you look for shrimp hide, it's actually for shrimp in your freshwater aquarium to kind of, I guess, get away from the cranky other fish in the tank. But I thought I'd put it in here because this grandma seemed to like some holes in the rocks and stuff, and I thought he would think it was fun, and he was using it within a day. So it's a pretty cool situation there. I love it.